Hey everyone, my name is Claire and I'm here today to share with you how I prep my skin for makeup using the water cream from Tatcha. So before I go into any primer or makeup, I always like to prep my skin with a great moisturizer. And I naturally have oily skin, so I love something like the water cream because it's perfect for daytime. It has this beautiful water burst technology inside, so as soon as you apply it, it feels like a big drink of water. Really nice and cooling and refreshing. And because it's that gel formula, it absorbs into my skin beautifully. The water cream is also packed with fantastic ingredients. There's Japanese wild rose, which helps reduce the appearance of pores, Japanese leopard lily, which helps reduce oil production as well as calms the skin, and then of course Tatcha's signature How to Say 3. All you need is a little scoop. Every moisturizer comes with a little spatula, and then I like to rub it in between my hands and apply from the center outwards and really take my time to really feel the drink of water. I love the way that this feels. Really take the time to enjoy this ritual in the morning. And once everything is absorbed, your skin just feels really nice and smooth, really nice and supple, and ready for the next step.